In this video, I'm gonna show you how we can schedule a message on Instagram so that the message wouldn't be sent automatically right now, but that it will be scheduled to a specific date and then it will be sent automatically. So first we need to open the chat that we want to schedule the message in, and then we need to type in the message. For example, I'm just gonna type in hey. And now we need to press on send, but we hold on it. So not one time, but hold on it for about 2 seconds. And now, as you can see, this menu pops up where it says schedule message. And we need to schedule it to the date we want the message to go live on, for example, Sunday. So we need to select Sunday, 9 o'clock, and then the message will be sent automatically on the specific time frame. And here you can see your scheduled message right here. And this message will be automatically sent out on the specific time. I hope this video was useful to you. If it was useful, please consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next video.